Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help you?
This is my first time at the airport.
No problem. I will help you.
Where is the check-in counter?
It is in front of you.
Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
I want to check in for my flight.
May I see your ticket, please?
Yes, here is my ticket.
Can I see your passport?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Where are you going today?
I am going to Delhi.
Do you have luggage?
Yes, I have one bag.
Please put your bag here.
Okay,
Your bag is not heavy.
that is good.
Do you want a window seat?
Yes, I like window seats.
Okay, I will give you a window seat.
Thank you very much.
Here is your boarding pass.
What is my gate number?
Your gate number is 15.
What time is boarding?
Boarding starts at 9:45 a.m.
Where is the security check?
Go straight and turn left.
Thank you.
Please show your boarding pass.
Here you are.
Put your bag on the machine.
Okay,
Please walk forward.
sure.
You can take your bag now.
Thank you. Excuse me, where is gate 15?
Gate 15 is upstairs.
How can I go there?
Use the escalator.
Thank you for your help.
Announcement. This is a boarding call for Flight 210.
That is my flight. I should go now.
Gate staff. Hello, may I see your boarding pass?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Please go inside.
Okay,
Flight attendant. Welcome on board.
thank you.
Please sit on your seat.
I am ready for the flight.
Have a nice journey.